We talked a little bit on the last episode of this, I think, about Ninja leaving Twitch. A big story, big story. People were trying to figure out, okay, how much money did he get paid? What's the consequence of this? What does this mean for Twitch? What did Twitch do wrong? What did Mixer do right? What's the Microsoft affiliation? How's this all going to map out? Well, we got some news here from Dr. Disrespect. I don't know very much about Dr. Disrespect other than the fact that he's maybe the major streamer on Twitch, certainly the major one remaining post Ninja. He, on one of his streams, says that he would also move over to Mixer if he got Ninja's deal or better. So he essentially says here via stream. Now you can decide if it was serious or if he's making a joke or whatever it might be. But he was talking to his audience, and of course they had to be talking on the Ninja topic because it so totally overwhelmed the streaming universe, particularly on Twitch, in which he said it would make sense to ask for a large sum of money if he was going to change platforms. But here's his quote. Like, I'm talking, I don't know what Ninja got, but it's got to be at Ninja's level or higher. I mean, it's just a bigger, stronger brand. That's how he's referring to himself in the form of Dr. Disrespect. But from what I understand about Dr. Disrespect is he's kind of like this confident, Kirk, maybe you can fill me in here. He's got this like macho, tough guy, confident vibe. So, of course, he would say something like that, like he's got the stronger brand than Ninja. Right, because of what happened at E3. I remember that story. So he recently got back on Twitch. But, I mean, what he's saying makes sense. What loyalty does anyone have to Twitch? Like, Ninja effectively moved over to Mixer, brought a massive audience with him. Do people really care what the platform is, or do they care who's on the platform? I mean, it's obviously a little bit of both. It helps to be where people already are. But this, if you're Mixer and you see something like this, you pick up the phone.
Yeah, it's like Disney Plus versus
Yeah, it's Disney Plus versus Netflix. And the same thing could happen on YouTube and anywhere else. It turns out, if you can secure the right content, you got yourself a business. Mixer started with Ninja, which is probably the right move, but pick up the phone. If Disrespect is on here now as well, you got something happening, man. You got a major play in the game. Now, also chiming in on the matter was Ethan from H3, who used to stream his podcast on Twitch. And he has a quote from a recent podcast where he kind of sounds a bit disgruntled as far as his relationship or experience with Twitch. Here's his quote. They are not going to last. They aren't going to make it because they are short-sighted and don't know how to keep their talent because they are so cheap, which is shocking because they are owned by the richest man that has ever walked this earth. Talk about Jeff Bezos, because Amazon owns Twitch. They are although it's not always that easy. Oftentimes, the parent company doesn't necessarily release the funds necessary to these sub-brands. Like, anyway, there's probably a reason why those finances are not unlocked. But nonetheless, I'm not saying they shouldn't be. They are so rich, he wipes his blank with $100 bills. So he used to stream on Twitch. His podcast used to be live on Twitch, and then they moved over to YouTube at some point. So obviously he's got an inside line on what those conversations with Twitch are like. Twitch is going to have to do something soon, or these kinds of conversations are going to turn into reality. It's not that it's going to evaporate. Twitch is huge. It's not like it's going to just fall off the map. But it's like if enough names pile up and move over to a platform like Mixer, at some point, there's going to be consequences, obviously, to the viewership and so forth, eventually.
I don't know. Did you see Justin's tweet?
Who's Justin?
So he's like the founder.
Oh,
of
that's
Twitch.
Justin.tv?
He owns Twitch right now. And basically what he tweeted was rest in peace based on Ninja's tweet, which is like he's joining Mixer.
Oh, so rip like you're done now?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So that's
Justin Ken.
that's
All
harsh.
right. Click on his profile real quick. Entrepreneur and investor Atrium. Okay. He doesn't really
yeah. Okay, never mind.
No, I don't know who he is. Click on his webpage there. justincan.com. I mean, maybe he's affiliated. Maybe he's been
I
involved.
think he was like one of the founders.
Yeah, is he
something like that.
Justin.tv? Because Twitch used to be called Justin.tv, didn't it? So he may have been Justin. There we go.
Oh yeah, here it is.
Yeah, okay, Justin.tv and Twitch.tv. He's the co-founder of both of those. Okay, so you were right, Will. Don't worry. Don't panic, Will. You're all good. You're all good.
Like I'm wrong.
No, he's doing other things. He's doing other things now. So, but yeah, of course.
It's just really salty.
It's very salty, but of course he's going to say that. You know what I mean? What's he supposed to say? He's sitting there with his team or his guys, and they're like, what does this mean? What does this mean? You got to come with confidence and say, we're going to be all right. Mm-hmm. But it's one thing to say, it's another to do it. You got to lock up this talent now. Because obviously Mixer changed the game. They said, we're going to sign we're going to throw some money around. Money talks. You know this, Will. Mm-hmm. You know this.